Hi friends, I'm Jagadeesh. Jagdishwaram from Urmalpet. To be frank, I actually started my coding skill from scratch. Now I'm able to build full stack projects. Now I'm excited and confident on my skills because of the continuous support and the timely guidance from the team GUVI, especially the mentors. The mentors are really their teaching methodology and their doubt clarifications inside the class and even in the GUVI Zen Query support portal. Guys, I am from village area, far away from the city. I'm simply sitting inside my home and learning from the institute, IIT Madras Incubated Institute like a GUVI, from the excellent support from the really experienced mentors is really excited me and really helpful to me. And you GUVI, your initiatives and reaching even remote area like my native place is really changing the life of the persons like me and their family and their situations. And really thank you very much and keep it up. Cheers.